Just when you thought Shape Tape couldn't get any better, Nude have released an extra wide 4-inch version. Look at that difference. So I want to put them to the test so we can see if this really makes a difference and you know which one is best for you. And now I can show you the difference side by side. We're going to go in with the 4-inch first. Nipple covers, always. I've applied one strip. One strip. This is the support that I'm getting already. It's looking good. 2 strips. The 4-inch tape is definitely for me because this took literally 2 minutes. And look at the support. Wow. Let's put the 3-inch on this side. With one strip, we've definitely got some support, but we have nowhere near the same amount as lift just yet. Definitely got that lift, but now I need that coverage and support. So let's go in with a 3rd strip. There we go. Let's take this off and do a proper comparison. Here it is, side by side. We've got the 3-inch Shape Tape on this side and the even bigger 4-inch tape on this side. The 3-inch side still has amazing lift, but it's slightly more relaxed and it took me more strips to get here. I know which one's my favorite. Let me know what you think.